And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Dude, you're very talented right there. How'd you do that without the prompter, like keeping up with you? It was like way ahead of you.
I remembered.
Sorry, I'm telling you right now, class act right there. Preserve Club. Let's go Richmond. You can see the snowflakes flying around, and I turned the camera down so you can see the backdrop and made it a little darker so you can actually see the flurries. And the camera is still wet. So what you have is a little light accumulation on the grass and the roofs, and that's how it's played out for much of the day, where we've had snow, where we had rain mixed. We generally have snow now for all locations. The roads have stayed mainly just wet. As we go into the next couple of hours and daylight turns to darkness, and there's still a little bit more snow, it doesn't matter if you're in Richmond or if you're in areas like Rehoboth or if you're in Rochester or if you're in Newport, Cumberland, Woonsocket, I can name them all. We all have a chance to have a little accumulation on the roads before this thing pulls away. Temperatures have been above freezing most of the day. Now we're right at freezing. And once it gets dark, game on to the roads, picking up a little bit of snow. The low pressure just brushing the area and moving out. The back edge of the system, you can see the precipitation now just west of New York City. So we got about 4 or 5 hours left of some light snow across the area. There'll be some little holes in it at times too. You can see a little pocket here in New Haven. This is not terribly heavy snow. If it was, it would have been a much more of a concern throughout the day because it would have been able to overcompensate the temperatures that were marginal throughout the day. So we go through the evening hours, still some snow to get through. Clouds break up by about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, but notice your temperatures just kind of hanging out right around whatever you have now, not moving much. By morning, we'll take the dip into the upper 20s. So a few icy spots overnight once the precipitation ends and also once the clouds clear out. But I think it will be a very low impact overall across the area. And then we bounce back tomorrow with a partly sunny sky and temperatures topping out in the 40s to near 50. Whatever light accumulation you pick up here in the next couple of hours melts very fast, not just in Rhode Island, but for southeastern Mass as well. Winds will be light out of the west, and tomorrow turns out to be a really nice day. I had mostly sunny originally, but I do think there'll be a little bit more cloud cover at times in the afternoon. But all in all, after today's snow, even though it didn't accumulate, it was frustrating for many of you, and I get it. Tomorrow will not be frustrating, as sunshine and temperatures around 50 degrees looks good, and Friday looks just as nice too before a system for the weekend. So planner, 20s, 30s, 40s, really close to 50 in the afternoon for many locations, and we do that with a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day or partly sunny skies. Not the brightest day, not an overcast day, just kind of somewhere in between, but the temperature itself is really nice. So Futurecast, there's what we got going on now, snow. And as we go into the evening hours, the back edge of this thing's through by 8, 9 o'clock and moves out pretty quickly. Clouds will follow suit, and by morning, some sun pops through the clouds and looks pretty good. I go through the afternoon, a little bit more cloud cover will work up from south to north. That's why I went more partly sunny skies, but the temperatures themselves, a layer of 40s to near 50 and looking pretty good temperature-wise for the day. Thursday night, a little cloud cover will clear out, and by Friday, I think a little bit more sunshine than Thursday, though some late day clouds are expected, and your temperatures once again, right around 50 degrees and staying above average. So again, whatever snow's falling right now and accumulating, it's gonna be all gone by the time we get to the weekend. The problem is that's also when our next weather maker is. I told you yesterday I was much more concerned about Friday night and Saturday than anything that's happening outside right now, and I still am. Rain, wind, dropping temperatures at night, could be some flash freeze going on, and also a little bit of snow as this thing pulls away. Sets up for a blustery day on Sunday, even though you'll get an extra daylight hour in the afternoon and evening. When the sun goes down, almost towards 7 o'clock, you'll be bundled up. But then it's mild for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And just a spoiler alert, next Thursday is St. Patrick's Day. And it's been a long time since we've had a warm St. Patrick's Day. And I can't wait to add St. Patrick's Day to the 7-day tomorrow. I'm really excited what I see.
Ooh la la.
What do you think of that tease?
I like it. Thanks. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, friends, you can now